Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a signature to your opponent on this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WWE 2K25 game and start any of your desired match. Now, while you are playing your match, in order to perform your signature move, you will need to fulfill the blue bar, which is displayed underneath your health bar. Once this is filled, then the signature will pop up when you are placed at the appropriate position. Now, based on the superstar that you have selected, there might be different positions that you will need to put your opponent in order to perform your signature move. If you are unsure how your signature is performed, then you can pause the game and then go into the moves menu. Then choose your superstar and then you will see the signature as well as the position that you and your opponent both need to be in. Now, within the small diagram that you see, the character in blue is you and your opponent is displayed in the red. So you can perform any of the shown finishers with the given conditions just below the move. So in this case, the first move that I can perform is the diving elbow drop, for which the opponent needs to be grounded and our player, which is Shawn Michaels in this case, needs to be at the top rope. So with the opponent grounded, I can just fulfill the position and then press the signature button, which is the right trigger plus the X button on joystick. Similarly, if you are playing with your keyboard and mouse, then you will need to press the space plus J button while your signature bar is filled up. And in this way, you can perform the signature of your respective superstar on the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.